What truly defines the Serengeti? Is it the thunder of migrating herds, or the quiet persistence of life that remains after the crowds have gone? The migration is just one breathtaking chapter in a much larger story. The Serengeti is a living, breathing world, an intricate web of relationships that thrives every day of the year. To understand this place, we must look beyond the famous spectacle and discover the untold stories of its permanent residents. Here, survival is shaped by patience, adaptation, and the subtle interplay of countless species. This is an invitation to explore the Serengeti's true heart, a story of resilience and profound interconnectedness. The Great Migration is the Serengeti's most famous phenomenon, a river of life and death, unfolding across the vast plains in a breathtaking display of nature's raw power and beauty. Each year, this epic journey becomes the heartbeat of the savanna, a spectacle that has captured the imagination of explorers, filmmakers, and travelers for generations. Over 1 million wildebeest, accompanied by thousands of zebra and gazelle, set out on a relentless quest for water and fresh grass. Driven by instinct and the changing seasons, these animals form one of the largest land migrations on Earth, moving as a single, unstoppable force across the landscape. The sound and sight of the herds is unforgettable, a living, moving continent that stretches as far as the eye can see. The thunder of hooves, the dust rising in the golden light, and the sheer scale of life on the move draw visitors from every corner of the globe, all hoping to witness this natural wonder. For predators, it's a season of abundance. Lions, crocodiles, and other hunters lie in wait, knowing opportunity is close at hand. For the herds, every step is a test of survival, especially at the perilous river crossings, where danger lurks beneath the surface and only the strongest or luckiest survive. Yet, this spectacle is fleeting, a pulse, not a permanent state. In just a few days or weeks, the herds move on, leaving behind silence where there was once chaos and movement. When the herds move on, the grasslands are transformed. The earth, trampled and fertilized by millions of hooves, bursts into new life, ready for renewal and regrowth. The cycle of migration leaves the land richer, setting the stage for the next chapter in the Serengeti story. The migration is nature's blockbuster, a drama of survival and renewal played out on an epic scale. But when the curtain falls and the crowds disperse, a quieter, enduring drama begins, one that is just as vital to the Serengeti's heartbeat. The true Serengeti story continues long after the herds have passed, as the land and its remaining inhabitants adapt, endure, and prepare for the next great movement across these timeless plains. When the Great Migration fades into the distance, the Serengeti's permanent residents quietly reclaim their world. The landscape, once thunderous with hooves, now settles into a gentler rhythm, revealing the hidden lives of those who remain all year. Lions, bound to their territories, must rely on skill, patience, and teamwork to hunt the wary resident prey: buffalo, topi, and warthogs. With fewer opportunities and more challenging hunts, every meal is hard-won, testing their adaptability and resilience. The pride's survival depends on their ability to read the land and work together, each member playing a vital role in the hunt. The quiet season is also a time for reinforcing bonds within the pride. Cubs learn essential skills through play and observation, while adults nurture and protect the next generation. These moments of connection are crucial, passing down survival knowledge and strengthening the social fabric that holds the pride together. Elephants, with their remarkable intelligence and deep social bonds, shape the landscape in profound ways. They create grasslands by knocking down trees and dig for hidden water in dry riverbeds, sustaining not only themselves but countless other species that depend on these resources during the dry months. Giraffes, serene and ever watchful, browse the treetops for tender leaves. Their height gives them a unique vantage point, allowing them to spot danger from afar and serve as sentinels for other animals. They occupy a niche that few others can, quietly shaping the ecosystem from above. These residents, wildebeest, zebras, antelope, and more, are the anchors of the ecosystem. Their daily lives, migrations, and interactions are woven into the very fabric of the land, maintaining the delicate balance that allows the Serengeti to thrive even in the absence of the great herds. Their stories are not of frantic movement, but of quiet adaptation and enduring presence. Through subtle shifts in behavior and remarkable resilience, they weather the challenges of the dry season, embodying the spirit of survival. In the Serengeti, survival is a year-round art, an ongoing dance between the land and its inhabitants, where every day brings new challenges and quiet triumphs. The Serengeti's health depends on its smallest inhabitants. Dung beetles recycle nutrients, keeping the plains fertile and clean. Over 500 bird species, from vultures to vibrant rollers, pollinate, disperse seeds, and control insects, adding color and complexity. The flora is a mosaic. Acacia trees shelter and feed, diverse grasses adapt to grazing, and even termites engineer the land with their towering mounds. These tiny creatures aerate soil and create fertile hotspots, proving that size is no measure of importance. Every living thing, no matter how small, plays a vital role in this ecosystem. The Serengeti thrives on the work of its unseen multitudes. The Serengeti is more than endless grass. It's a landscape of remarkable diversity. To the north and west, rolling hills and acacia woodlands offer shade, food, and refuge for countless species. Rivers like the Grumeti and Mara carve lush corridors, sustaining life even in the driest seasons. Ancient granite kopias rise from the plains, creating microclimates and shelter for specialized plants and animals. These varied habitats support a rich tapestry of life, each community adding resilience to the whole. The Serengeti's strength lies in its diversity. Every habitat, from woodland to river to kopje, is essential. This complexity is the foundation of its enduring abundance. The Serengeti is a living symphony of interdependence, where every creature and landscape is deeply connected. Lions depend on healthy herds. Herds depend on grass for survival. Grass thrives thanks to rain, grazing, and nutrient recycling by countless insects. The migration supports permanent residents even after the herds move on to new pastures. Predators maintain balance by culling the weak, preventing overgrazing and protecting the ecosystem as a whole. Every action, from a hunt to a beetle's labor, helps regulate and stabilize the entire community. Protecting the Serengeti means preserving the entire web, open corridors, flowing rivers, and space for all life. Its beauty lies in this intricate, fragile balance of nature. The Serengeti's true story is far richer than a single spectacle. It is a living, breathing tapestry woven from countless moments, both grand and subtle, that unfold across its endless plains. While the world may marvel at the thunderous migration, the Serengeti's true heart beats in the daily lives of its inhabitants, in the quiet dawns and golden dusks that shape their existence. Its soul is found in the year-round drama of its residents and the interplay of diverse landscapes. Here, every animal, from the smallest insect to the largest elephant, plays a vital role in the ongoing story of survival and adaptation. The Serengeti is a place where life is constantly tested, and every day brings new challenges and triumphs. To see only the migration is to miss the intelligence of elephants, the work of insects, and the intricate relationships that bind all creatures together. The wisdom of matriarchs guiding their herds, the tireless labor of beetles recycling the earth, and the silent cooperation between species all contribute to the Serengeti's enduring vitality. And the resilience of lions and giraffes, who endure harsh seasons and shifting fortunes, reminds us of the strength required to thrive here. Each animal, whether predator or prey, is a testament to the power of adaptation and the will to survive. Every river, every ancient kopje, and every hidden waterhole is a lifeline, shaping the destinies of those who depend on them. These features are not just landmarks but the very arteries and veins of this wild land. And woodland is a vital piece of a living mosaic, where shade and shelter offer refuge and opportunity. The patchwork of grasslands, forests, and rocky outcrops creates a stage for endless interactions, each one essential to the balance of the whole. The Serengeti's value lies in its breathtaking complexity and wholeness as one of Earth's last great ecosystems. Its vastness is matched only by the diversity of life it sustains, a reminder of nature's boundless creativity and resilience. Let us celebrate and protect this entire system, inspired by both the epic migrations and the quiet persistence of life that remains. The future of the Serengeti depends on our willingness to value every creature, every habitat, and every story that unfolds here. Listen beyond the thunder of hooves, for in the hum of insects and the rustle of trees, the Serengeti's true story endures. It is a story written in the footprints of animals, the whisper of the wind, and the eternal rhythm of life on these ancient plains.